and welcome to our last resource exercise. It's an exercise that comes from Manon Lavoie, who is a creative coach from Quebec in Canada. And the exercise is called 1 week in my life, taking on photos. And the idea is that you take photos from today on for the next 7 days and take photos of your daily life. Take the tiny little things that you do probably differently in this week of confinement. And we're not interested in photos of great performances or things you know to do. It's about tiny little things, like bread that you're probably baking because you don't go and it's windy outside here. The bread you're baking, sorry. And what else? The plants you're probably planting in the garden because now you can do it. You have the time maybe to do that. Or I took a photo of the empty fruit bowls that are usually quite filled up with fruits, but now I just ran out of fruit, so I took a photo of the empty fruit bowls. And then I'll take a photo again when I went shopping and bought some fruits. Yeah, these kind of tiny little things in your daily life. Take pictures, and you can do that on your own. You can do that as a project with other family members. And then the idea is that you do a kind of album on that. You can even print it out and have a kind of album as a precious reminder of this really specific and particular week in this specific time. Okay, so that is the last exercise of this series of resources. And we'll probably come back to you in a short while with the new format and new things. Until then, we'd really invite you to exercise, to train yourself with all these things that we propose to you, and make it a habit. Make it a daily habit to do maybe your favorite exercises or some of them or all of them and get used to do so. Okay, and then we would really like that you share with us on the comments what exercise you liked the best, or what exercise was the one that went the easiest, or what exercise is it that you're practicing now ever since. Okay, and if you have other exercises that are oriented resources, we'd be really interested in you sharing them with us as well. Okay, so thank you very much for having followed us so far. Hope you stay safe and healthy and enjoy all these exercises, and hope to see you soon again. Thank you. Bye-bye.